doon.
Yan, very good. How about that one? Sa malayo yung balls. Ano sabihin mo pag dun yung balls? Pag dun yung ball, ano sabihin mo? That?
That is my ball.
Yes.
Classmate ko sabi.
Yes. How about, this is your toy car. Pag hawak mo yung toy car, ano sabihin mo?
This is my toy car.
Yan. How about, nasa malayo yung toy car? Ano sabihin mo?
This is my car.
That
That is my
toy
car.
car.
Toy car.
Pag nasa malayo, hindi mo hawak yung toy or yung objects. Dapat that. Okay?
That lang.
That. Pag hawak, this is my toy
This is-
car.
This is my toy car.
Pag nasa dito, hindi mo hinahawakan. Ano tawag mo dyan?
This is
That
That is
That is my
toy car.
toy car.
Okay.
Bebe naman Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Next.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
you want Lamborghini?
Opo,
Okay. Next.
lalaki
So,
yun.
you have a box. Sample, this is a box. So, if you hold your box, anong sasabihin mo?
This is my box.
Yes. How about, if nasa malayo yung box, anong sasabihin mo?
This is my...
Pag malayo, anong dapat? That
That is my toy car.
box.
Box.
Okay. Kapag hawak siya, pag hawak mo yung box, anong sabihin mo?
This is my box.
Pag malayo yung box nandun, sa malayo, ano sabihin mo? Pag tinuturo mo yung box,
This is my...
hindi this, that.
That is my box.
Okay, how about your books? Hawak mo yung books mo. Ano sabihin mo? Pag hawak mo,
This is my book.
yan.
how about pag nasa malayo yung book?
Ulit.
Ulit.
No! No chocolate!
Okay. So, pag nasa malayo ang books,
Ano?
hindi mo hawak yung books, ano tawag dyan? Ano sabihin mo?
That is my book.
Yes.
Yan.
Pag hawak mo na, ano nga paghawak? Paghawak mo
Paghawak.
kay Alex yung book, ano sabihin mo?
That is my book.
Pag nasa malayo, sige, pag nasa malayo, pag hindi hawak yung book,
That is my book.
very good.
Balik-balik ulit. Balik-balik
Okay, okay.
ulit.
Ay, dito ka.